Hello everybody and welcome back to another video of the Artificial Professor, and in this video we are going to be learning how you can leave a review on Airbnb. So with that being said, let's just get started. So right now, as you can see, we are on the review section of Airbnb. So to simply access it, you need to head over to airbnb.com/users and /reviews, and you will be directed towards this particular section after you sign in. So here you can see we have two options: the reviews about you. So if you just rented a place or stayed over to a place and they reviewed about you, they will be appearing in this particular tab. So you can see reviews about you, and if you head over to reviews by you, you can see we have this option of reviews to write, and here will be appearing entirely each and every reviews that you ever left on any particular place or places. So yeah, this is the place where you can simply leave a review on Airbnb. I really hope you found this video helpful, and if you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share with your friends. Thank you so much for watching, and see you around in the next video.